Yeah, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Fumbling Forward, where I explore new stuff, break stuff, and learn from breaking stuffs as well. So, here today I have a Raspberry Pi 5 with me. So, it's a really cost effective and a simple device where you can build multiple applications together on it. So, today what I'm going to try to build is an image, age, and gender detection application using this Raspberry Pi 5 I have as well as a webcam. And I'm going to try and run this application on my local device in my laptop as well. So it's really a CPU based. It's an offline application. Nothing really fancy. Nothing on the cloud. It's really simple. So what I'm gonna build here today is an simple age, gender, emotion classification application. We are categorizing the age into 9 groups. We had 2 genders as well as 7 spectrum of emotions that we are gonna cover today. And we are going to use ResNet 18 as a backbone for age and gender classification. And for emotion, we are going to use FER's exception model and MTCNN for the facial detection. And we are going to only use CPU for inference and as well as minimal hardware using a Raspberry Pi 5 and a webcam that we have. And in the software side, we have Python, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and basically your webcam on the hardware side and Raspberry Pi if you want it. That's all what we are going to use today. If you jump into the pipeline, you have the README that is set up by me in the code base itself. You can just go through the README, bring up the whole environment together. You just have some basic installations like installing the FER, installing OpenCV, TensorFlow, CPU version, NumPy, basic stuff. So once you set up the whole environment, you are going to move to the code part. So in the code part also, it's really straightforward. As you can see, the code is really simple here in the code itself. You can see that when we go through the main function, you can see that, okay, we are loading an age and gender model. We have an FER model. And of course, we are using OpenCV to capture the frame from the webcam. So it's running in an infinite loop. As you can see, it's while is equal to true. So it's going to run an infinite loop for sure. So once it grabs a particular frame, it sends that particular frame to capture the emotion. So the emotion detection is done using FER, and here we are going to use MTCNN for capturing the boundaries of your face. And once you have the face and the emotions, you are going to send that facial region of interest to predict the age and gender of that particular person to the age and gender model. And in the age and gender model, as you can see, we have defined the number of classes as 9. We have an age group from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like that till 90. And we have 2 genders, that is male and female. And the device is, of course, set to CPU. The model just loads the weights and predicts the classification. It's simple softmax predicting the probabilities of your age and gender. And once you have that, we are going to load the FPS, the age group, gender, and the emotion into the screen. And a disclaimer here, we are not going to show the face here for that matter because of the FPS constraint as well as the privacy that we are giving to the users of this particular application. We are going to not take any of your data because your face is not being stored anywhere. You are just directly storing your emotion. And coming to the application side of this particular product that I have built here, I started building this product based on a friend that approached me to build a particular application for his kiosk where he shows his ads, and he want to categorize his customers based on the age group and gender, as well as to classify the what emotions, how many time they are spending in front of the particular ad. So that part is still pending, but the basic stuff is to identify the age and the gender part, the gender and age distribution, who is spending more time before his particular ad. So like I said, this particular product can be used for this kind of stuff to voluntarily collect data, automatically collect data on which customer is spending more time on particular product, particular hardware. This can be used in small businesses, like a supermarket, like a kiosk, like an ad board. So it's really simple. You can just put it over the, since it's a minimal hardware as well as minimal code, you can put it there and show the stuff. So we can also try running this particular application on my laptop. It's very simple. You can just load the conda environment and run this Python inference. Once we run the inference, it's going to be really simple. Yeah, I'm happy now and neutral now. It's like really basic, and you can just stop it. You can interrupt the run because I have put for infinite loop. That is what is expected. And we are going to also store this data later so that we can identify the group and the age group. And like I said, we are not storing any facial information or facial data because for your safety as well as the privacy concerns for that matter also is being covered. So yeah, that's it. That basically covers the why, how, and what uh, I have done for the last couple of days. It's a really simple, straightforward age, gender, and emotion classification application. And if you are interested in real stuff engineering and you are interested in learning to know what I'm going to do next, I really suggest that you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And you're gonna see more engineering stuff ahead in this channel. Bye.